I'm Bonnie Kimke. Welcome to my studio and welcome to Quilting on a Thread. As you'll see, you're looking at my machine and not me, but that's because I'm going to demonstrate a hack that I've been using pending being able to get a hold of the Cutie channel locks. Now, when I first bought my Cutie frame, the Grace company hadn't yet developed the Cutie channel locks, and so I had to find a hack. This is a baby lock aftermarket set of channel locks. I buy them in the smaller size. They're about $6 a piece. So I'm going to go ahead and move that box out of the way. But right now you can see my frame is fully in motion. You know, it's going front to back and it's going side to side. So if let's say I'm basting and I want to go horizontally around, across my quilt body. I take one of these channel locks, I hook it over the wheel, and I go ahead and let it rest on the track. Now it's blocking the wheel from moving and it's resting on the track, so it's kind of working twofold. And at this point I can't go front to back, but I'm still able to go horizontally side to side. And that's really, really great for basting across the top of my quilt, or if I'm trying to do something with a straight line but I just don't want to use a ruler. Now, I also may want to stop myself from moving horizontally, but be able to move front to back. So, because the Cutie frame has such small wheels on this lower carriage, this is not really going to grab and hang on to the wheels very well. So what I do is I take and I put the channel lock on the track on both sides. And now I'm able to move front to back, but I'm impeded from moving side to side. It's not a perfect solution, but it's a good hack and it's been helping me quite a great deal. I hope this is something that resonates with you and that you can use this in your quilting until you're ready to purchase the Cutie channel locks. Have a great day. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.